The Around View Monitor is a parking aid that provides views of your vehicle's position in relation to surrounding objects. There are cameras located on the front of the grille, on the outside mirrors, and on the lift gate. The Around View Monitor displays a combination of views with the ignition switch in the on position. Bird's eye view shows a top view around your vehicle. Front view shows the area directly in front of your vehicle. Front side view shows the area around and ahead of the front wheels. Front wide view shows a wider picture of the area directly in front of your vehicle. Invisible hood view shows the front of the vehicle with the engine hood transparent. 3D view shows a 360-degree view around the vehicle. Rear view shows a picture of the area directly behind your rear bumper. Rear wide view shows a wider picture of the area directly behind the vehicle. Press the camera button repeatedly to cycle through available view combinations or to return to the screen which was displayed before the camera button was pressed. The available views vary based on the shift position, and certain view combinations are displayed in a split-screen format. The front view will not be shown when the vehicle speed is above approximately 12 miles per hour. The front and rear views display the approximate distance between an object and your vehicle with colored lines. The red line designates an object is approximately 1.5 feet away. The first blue line designates an object is approximately 3 feet away. The second blue line designates an object is approximately 7 feet away. The third blue line, if so equipped, designates an object is approximately 10 feet away. When the steering wheel is turned, predictive course lines are also displayed on the screen. These lines show the approximate path the vehicle will take. The predictive course lines move in conjunction with how far the steering wheel is turned. The Save Location feature can be used to automatically display the front wide view. The vehicle must be traveling under 12 miles per hour when entering the location to activate the front wide view. When the front wide view is displayed, touch this key to save a location. The Moving Object Detection, or MOD system, operates when the Around View Monitor is active and can help inform the driver of moving objects surrounding the vehicle when driving out of parking structures, garages, or maneuvering in parking lots. A green MOD icon is displayed on the view where the MOD system is operative, and a gray MOD icon is displayed on the view where the MOD system is not operative. When the shift position is in drive and the vehicle speed is below approximately 5 miles per hour, the MOD system detects moving objects in the front view. When the shift position is in reverse and the vehicle speed is below approximately 5 miles per hour, the MOD system detects moving objects in the rear view. If the MOD system detects a moving object near the vehicle, a frame is displayed on the display screen and a chime sounds intermittently. The frame remains on the screen as long as the MOD system continues to detect moving objects. The MOD system will not operate if the side mirrors are in the stowed position, either front door is open or the lift gate is open. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, Parking Assist, then Moving Object to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.